we go.
Hello everyone, this is John with Money on the Floor Currency Trader. I just wanted to show you what I'm up to and how I'm trading today. Right now I got 3 different robots on. I got one with 3 confirmation, which I'm going for the longest trade, which is trying to bank me the biggest bucks. And then I'm going for a medium, which is on this chart right here. We're in the trade here. It has 2 confirmations. And then we have the smaller one, which is just a small scalp, and they'll both get out pretty quick. These two in the long term will keep running. And the idea is that I'm making, see, they're already winning the trailing stop, and it's already going to be taking profits. So it's taking little profits. The other one's taking bigger profits, and then the big one's taking big profits. So altogether, I make quite a bit of money in a short amount of time. And that's what we're talking about here. So it's moving up nicely. We're at the 50. We should break this and keep going up. And if it does, we are just going to keep pulling in the profits. So that's what I like to do. Doesn't always work that way, but when it does, I want to make sure I get all 3 going, and I'm making as much as I can when it's going in my direction. And basically I'm waiting for confirmation. So if my main one is giving me major confirmation, I know all my other ones are going to be doing great. So that's really the main thing, is I follow this one, and then the other ones just, oops, already took profit on one. We already banked some money, and then we're going to bank some more as it pulls back and get me out of that one, and then it'll keep on going. But the big one is still going, and that's what it's all about. So we make the big money, we make the medium money, and we make the small money, and all together it's great money. So anyway, if you like making money, these robots are for you. This is the Half Trend series. It's still on discount, so don't let it get away. I got more of them coming out. I got a couple other ones coming out that you're going to want to grab. This one's not even out yet. This is the triple confirmation. And I got one that's going to be coming out with even more arrows. So that's what we're looking for. We're making it as easy as possible to make as much money as possible with as little trading as possible. So we all know that 80% of your money comes from 20% of your trades. The idea is find the right trades right here and over here, and then only trade that spot and stay out of the center part where it's all beat up and all you do is lose money. So if you want to come make money easy like me, come use the robots I use. They're great. You're going to love them. You got me to help you back to support, and we will make sure that you make money with them. So do get a hold of me if you're not making money. We will fix whatever it is. Sometimes it's just a little tweak, so you never know. So anyway, the idea is these things are working great. Don't let them get away. So let's keep making that money. We still got the big money going. It's already taken a couple small ones down here below where it just keeps raking it in, and that's what I want. The idea is to get to $500, $600, $700 a day and be done trading for the day, or whatever number it is you're looking for. Could only be 200 and you're trading a lot smaller. There's nothing wrong with that. Get your target and get done. That's what we're talking about. So anyway, I'm already up. I'm done for the day. I'm just going to take my profits and go. It took me back in because it's still a good trade. It doesn't want to give up. All right, I'll let that one run, but after a while I got to shut her down. All right, everybody, thank you so much. And all these will be coming out with buttons. We don't have buttons on them yet. That's why they're not out to everybody that's got the Half Trend series. So we have only the 2 confirmations are out right here. This one's out, but it doesn't have buttons yet either. So, but I wanted to make sure people were able to use them. So they will be coming out with buttons very shortly so that you can turn different ones on, different ones off, whatever you like to do. And these work great with the Infinity Scalper too, so you can run all 4 robots. So anyway, have a great weekend. It is that time, and I'm going to keep working on the robots, keep making them better. The idea is we can make as much money as possible in as short a time as possible. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Okay. Bye-bye.